Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find the value of k in the equation 16 raised to k is equal to 2 times the square root of 2. Now let us begin by expressing 16 as an exponential with base 2, since 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. So we can rewrite the equation as 2 raised to 4 raised to k is equal to 2 times square root of 2. Recall the law of exponents, that is, when a power is raised to another power, we multiply the exponents. Therefore, 2 raised to 4 raised to k can be written as 2 raised to 4k. This is equal to 2 times the square root of 2. Let us square both sides of the equation. We have 2 raised to 4k raised to 2 is equal to 2 times the square root of 2 raised to 2. So the left-hand side of the equation becomes 2 raised to 8k. The product rule for exponents. For example, when you have a product a and b raised to an exponent m, this can be expanded as a raised to m times b raised to m. So applying this principle on the right-hand side of the equation, this becomes 2 raised to 2 times square root of 2 raised to 2. Simplifying further the equation, we get 2 raised to 8k is equal to 4 times 2. Or we have 2 raised to 8k is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. Now, expressing 8 as a power with base of 2, we can write it as 2 raised to 3. So that our equation now becomes 2 raised to 8k is equal to 2 raised to 3. Now, you notice that the terms have the same bases or common bases. So we can equate the exponents. So we have 8k is equal to 3. Solving for k, we divide both sides by 8 so that k is equal to 3 over 8. Now let us verify our answer by substituting k is equal to 3 over 8 into the original equation. 16k is equal to 2 times square root of 2. And so we have 16 raised to k, which is 3 over 8. Then we express 16 as 2 raised to 4, then times or raised to 3 over 8. We multiply the exponents. We have 2 raised to 12 over 8, which can be reduced to 3/2. Now we rewrite 2 raised to 3/2 as 2 raised to 3 raised to 1/2. Of course, we know that 2 raised to 3 is 8 raised to 1/2. 8 as 4 times 2, then we have raised to 1/2. Again, applying the product rule for exponents, we have 4 raised to 1/2 times 2 raised to 1/2. Rewriting this into a radical, 4 raised to 1/2 or 4 or square root of 4, then times square root of 2. Now square root of 4 is 2, then times the square root of 2. You notice that 2 times square root of 2 is exactly the right side of the original equation. Therefore, our solution is verified. And that's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more mathematics tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.